If you need to install a brand new doorknob in a brand new door or replace an existing knob set with a brand new doorknob set, the steps in this video will help you accomplish both. Let's get right to it. Now, if you're replacing an existing doorknob, there is one thing you will have to do first, and that's remove the existing doorknob. So go ahead and take out both screws, one on the bottom and one on the top. You might have to pull them out with your fingers at the tail end just so you don't scratch the existing knob. But once you have them out, grab the knob from both ends and slowly pull it out of the door. You get to see what the inside of it looks like. This is important, we'll come back to it. Now I'm leaving the existing latch mechanism in place because I want to maintain that same brushed nickel color that I have on it. But if you want to remove yours, just take these two screws out and pull the latch straight out of the door. Now, once you have your new knob, and I seriously have massive issues opening boxes, but once you have it, get it out of the box and you'll see all of your parts. The strike plate is the first thing that you're going to notice. It comes also with a pin that you can use to unlock the door. Your latch, of course, comes included, same color. And then the knobs, of course, you need both sides of it. And this one is a locking knob. And here's where I realized that I've got a bit of a problem. That's not going to work, is it? This part of the knob right here is supposed to have a little pin that looks like this to lock it. One Amazon order later, I finally have what I need, and when I'm done, this is what I'm going to have. It's going to be one matte black knob on the inside to match my bathroom hardware and the brushed nickel on the outside, which is also going to match my latch. Now, when you insert the knob, make sure that you get it in that latch mechanism appropriately with the holes on the top and the bottom and the square pin coming straight through. Give it a quick test. You can see that it will actually work the latch properly. Getting the new knob inserted is just as easy as pulling it out. Just get those two screws in place, but that's not always easy to do. Whoopsie, yeah, that's right. So you get, yeah, there's another one. I'm jacking up this door, people. The point is, get both screws in the door. And oh my gosh. I just wanted to give up at this point, but I'm doing it in an awkward fashion. I mean, cut me some slack here. I'm doing it this way with my arm all twisted, but all right, I got it in. Once you get the knob in, test it. Make sure that A, it opens, and B, it locks properly. Also make sure it unlocks properly, and that the latch will, or the knob will operate the latch the way that it needs to. And now for the final step, swap out your strike plate. You want to make sure that it matches that brand new knob set that you just installed. For me, I'm leaving it with the brushed nickel because the matte black knob on the inside is all that I wanted to change. While you're here, check out another one of our videos, and until the next time, keep doing it yourself.